Fourthane is the leading manufacturer of rubber repair polymers in both quality and innovation. The two most common rubber repairs which we'll demonstrate for you today are the red and yellow lines. The red line being a 90 durometer product, the yellow line being 75. For this demonstration, we'll be using the red line. Each kit comes complete: cleaning solution, primer, and catalyst. Olfa knives are commonly used to prepare the top surface of the belt. Belt nippers are used to remove the top cover of the belt. Wire brushes are used with 4.5-inch low-speed grinders. A 6-inch wire brush can be used for more aggressive top cover preparation with 6-inch straight grinders. Mixing paddles should be used in conjunction with handheld tools for uniform mixtures. In this demonstration, we'll show you a common longitudinal damage on a 3/8 top cover belt. Proper technique will be cutting away the top cover at a 45-degree angle. One key to Fourthane's success is this beveled angle. You'll see the top cover being cut and removed using the common technique with an Olfa knife. This is one of the keys to a successful seal. As you see, the top cover has been cut and is ready for removal. Belt nippers, or top cover removal tools, can be used to remove the top cover. Once we have the top cover removed and the ply is exposed, we're going to make this hole bigger to allow for the Fourthane to create an anchor. Fourthane has two key properties: strength and adhesion. The larger hole allows for the Fourthane to flow through the hole, providing a double-sided seal. Using a 4.5-inch variable speed or low speed grinder, begin to prep the surface. Remember, it's pivotal to have low speed so as to not burn or score the rubber. With a wire brush on the grinder, remember to prep the entire damaged area: the plies, the beveled angle, and the surface. Next, a 6-inch grinder can be used for more aggressive preparation. You'll notice the distinct change in the belt. The grinder provides a uniform tooth in all preparation area. Still not burning the rubber. Once the surface is prepped, the rubber has been scored, it's key to clean the surface. Beginning with a brush, clean off all excess rubber. What you'll see is the aggressive prepped surface from the 4.5 and the 6-inch grinders. Now we're ready to install the Fourthane product in the damaged area. In the white can is all 3 bottles. Step 1 is your cleaning solution. Step 2 is your primer or bonding agent. And step 3 is your catalyst, which will be mixed with the resin. The first step is the cleaning solution. It's very important to clean the surface of all oils and debris. The cleaning solution, you'll see, has a flashing stage. It takes roughly 1 to 2 minutes for the cleaning solution to dry and to move on to step 2. You'll notice the solution is applied to all areas that are prepped, both rubber, top cover, and plies. It's very important to have all oils removed from every surface. The next step, step 2, is the primer and bonding agent. This is a key step, as Fourthane will only bond to the area that has been primed. Notice that the primer is being applied very generously to all areas that have been prepped. Fourthane will bond to the plies of a conveyor belt. The key to this bonding is again the primer. What you're seeing now is the reverse side of the belt in damaged area. Duct tape is added to the back side of the belt. This is used as a seal to stop the Fourthane from flowing through. Roughly 2 to 3 strips of duct tape will be used to create that seal. We're now ready to mix the catalyst into the resin. The Fourthane polymer requires a uniform mixture. You'll notice in this demonstration, the mixing paddle goes against the sides of the can to be sure that all resin and all catalyst is mixed center, sides, and bottom. Remember, it's key to have a uniform mixture. The Fourthane resin and catalyst should be mixed between roughly 30 and 45 seconds for a proper mixture. Note that in a uniform mixture, there'll be no white lines of catalyst or black lines of resin shown. After roughly 30 seconds of mixing, you'll have 3 to 5 minutes of work time with Fourthane. In this damage, we're going to create an anchor using Fourthane. The polymer is poured into the damaged area and pressed through with the brush. By working the Fourthane into the damaged area, we'll create a more adequate anchor point. Once you work the Fourthane into the damaged area, you're now ready to fill the top cover with the Fourthane product. Work the edges and feather the edges with the green spatula supplied in the kit. By feathering the edges of the Fourthane area, you'll remove all picking points and supply a smooth transition area. Most conveyor systems have scrapers and cleaners. A smooth transition area using this feathering process will protect all aspects of the conveyor system. Note that after 1 to 1.5 minutes, the product is becoming solidified. Continue to feather and work the edges. Note that the feathering process will remove all high spots and edges. An olfa knife can be used to skive the edges, creating smooth transition areas. Now you'll see the duct tape being removed on the back side of the belt, showing you the anchor that was created by Fourthane flowing to the back side of the damaged area. Now back on the front side, you can buff the area with a buffing wheel to get any high spots or work down the transition areas where necessary. After an hour, you'll notice the Fourthane product has cured to over 80 durometer. You are now ready to have the belt up and running. Fourthane has more product lines available. The red and yellow are for common rubber repairs, such as conveyor belt repairs, and every kit is complete. Fourthane also has the orange line, which is available for tire repair and tread repair, as well as the gray line, which is for metal surface repairs and lining.